Hey everyone, welcome back. And this is my cursed Masterlock 140. This is the first brass padlock that I had ever picked before. So it was kind of a milestone lock for me when I first started picking. And I have never been able to get it open again since until now. I don't know what's up with it. I don't know if the pins stick or whatnot, but it's been closed for a very long time, and I've been sitting here playing with it for a little bit, and I finally managed to get it back open. So I'm going to close it back up, and I'm going to try to recreate it and see if I can't see what it's actually doing. So I'm good and locked up. I'm going to use the vise for this. It's hard to feel what's going on in this one. It's kind of gritty inside. We're going to use top of the key by tension with the 50,000th bent pry bar, and I'm going to use the rounded hook from the Genesis set, and we're just going to go on in and see what we can get. A little click on one. Might have been an overset. I think that was what we set. Click on one. Click on two. Then click on three. It's hard to tell what's going on in this particular lock and where I am in it for some reason. That's definitely an overset. Okay, springy there in one. Two, we got a click. One is still springy. This one acts really weird. Must overset something again. Does anybody else have a cursed lock? One that should be, fairly easily openable, but just isn't? We'll try super heavy tension. This is really weird. I don't know what exactly I did when I was practicing with it to get it to open. Oh wait, that might have been something. Another little, oh, there we go. Got it, but I'm not sure how, but it doesn't feel right. I think the pins are sticking way up inside of it or something, but we got it, so I guess that's good. Maybe I'll leave it open this time. All right, so that's all I have for this one. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.